Hello, YouTube.
Chicken.
What? Evil chicken. Evil chicken.
How you doing, Keegan?
Good.
Nice. Say it to your mom.
What?
Say it to your mom.
What?
Why'd you kill that little?
Oh, do we have a real chicken in here?
A real chicken and a fake chicken.
Wait, who's doing chicken eggs?
That's the admin who's stalking us for some reason.
Dude, get that chicken in our house.
Okay.
No, don't. Whatever. Fine.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, get him.
I can't kill him.
No, don't kill him. Just like hit him in.
I'm just gonna kill them. They're being mean. Die.
Huh? I didn't get him.
I found the admin. Aha, he almost just killed himself.
Down there.
Oh, dude, there's a bunch of chickens in here.
No, let me in.
Alright, get in.
Admin.
Darn it, dude, admin is destroying that block. Okay, we're good. We have chicken. Cool.
How do you get out?
We dig a hole. Okay. What do you want from me, stupid chickens? Die. Yay! He got kicked. Hoorah! Whoop whoop.
What the heck?
Get away from me, I didn't do anything. Creeper! Behind you! Die, Creeper! Kill him!
Oh no, that's a human. Run.
Why do you know it's
No, it's just like he's been killed. Like they always do.
He's following you, dude. He's about to blow up. Go slash spawn. Make him confused.
Okay, I'm here. There's a sign that says spawn. Okay, good. Let's go to the market.
Wait 1 second, I'm lagging out.
Oh, dude, this is the same market. I'm gonna see how much I have. Wow, that's a lot.
Okay.
I'm gonna get armor. So it's like, it's not all weird. Building blocks, armor, diamond. Yes.
Nice. Let me put some of this on. These idiots.
Good. Okay, I need. No, we don't need a gate. We need fence. Wait, Keegan, can you make fence?
Yes, I can make fence.
What?
Yes, I could. It's not that hard.
Okay, good. Because I might need you to make fence.
Is that
Can I
other
buy a diamond block?
Kill him! Kill this guy! Kill this guy!
Why?
Do it! Kill him! He deserves to die.
Oh, dude, we get a bunch of stuff from him though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he probably teleported to spawn.
Yeah.
Cosmetic shop, damage social.
Dude, we need to get some swords.
I'm gonna go in the growing thing so we can buy. So we can like a farm. Pine sapling, no. Pumpkin, no. Pumpkin seeds, no. Cactus, no. No. Grass, crop. Egan,
What? Oh, I ran out of money.
wow.
Already.
What'd you buy?
I bought a whole bunch of golden apples.
Oh, God. Ooh, that's where's the sword?
I don't know. Oh, dude, the guy came back.
Oh, yeah, it's here.
Can you buy me one?
Of what?
A sword. I ran out of money.
Oh, darn it, I got a diamond.
Can you buy?
I'll use that later.
Can you buy me a sword, please?
Yeah, what's up?
'Cause the guy's just over there. Thank
It's on the
you.
ground, get it.
Got it. Thank you. I'm gonna go kill that guy. See what he has. Stupid door.
So, me and you are gonna kill him, and then we get a bunch of money and stuff. Well, not money. Oh, I see him. Get him. Oh, no. Nice.
He dropped it. Nice.
I got a diamond leggings and diamond boots.
Dude, that's nice.
Okay, now we better, like, go give it to him or leave it at the work thing.
No, just keep it.
Why? Dude, it's not cool, though. We stole something.
We didn't steal it. We took it from him unwillingly.
Oh, wait, where are A's? Look for A's. I need to get A's.
I'm gonna go sell all the crud I stole from him.
Volleyball, green, feather, saddle, no. Minecraft, sling, button, fishing rod, no.
Why can't I sell anything?
Web, no. Dude, where's the A? I need A.
I'm gonna earn some money.
Did you find any A's?
No, not yet. I'm trying to earn some money here.
I know we found it somewhere though.
I love how I just stole from that guy. I'm not even gonna give it back.
The guy's back. He wants more. He
He
oh,
wants
he's throwing potions at me. But he poisoned himself.
Idiot. Tell me if you need help.
Dude, run! He poisoned me.
Where is he?
Yes.
I'll kill him.
No, he has potions. Be careful.
Okay, I'm still gonna kill him, dude. He came near you. He came near my bud. Well, come on, let's go. Do the funky dance, broski. Let's go.
Yeah, run, little boy.
Oh, yeah. You better run. Afraid of me, huh? I wanna steal his potions. I wanna.
What?
I'm gonna go make some more money.
Okay, I'll be looking. I'm looking for eggs. If you see eggs at all,
I don't know. Where's the wood shop? Alchemy. Oh, I think I know where eggs are.
wait, should I deposit cocoa beans? Keegan.
But yeah, yeah.
Wait, what do you do with cocoa beans?
You don't do anything.
Oh, egg could be in here.
Yeah. I'm still looking for wood.
So I'm looking for egg. Egg, yes.
I need food. Good thing I have golden apples.
Okay, Keegan, we have a bunch of eggs now. Now we need scent. I'm gonna go get some scent from the wood shop.
I'm earning tons of money right here. Cause this stupid glitch. I love how they never noticed that someone would do that.
Okay, I'll be in here. Oh, where's those come from? Okay, Keegan,
What?
I'm gonna go to our house.
Okay.
Are you gonna come?
Um,
Maybe, oh, dude, I found where we should make our house.
where?
Follow me, come on, come on, come on.
1 second. So,
Are you coming?
trying.
Run, 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 run. I just want. Oh, dude, someone was here. Oh, darn it, magic fucked up. Wait, Keegan,
What?
where would you rather build it? Up on that hill over there? Or up on the hill over there?
Wait, follow me. Follow me, follow me. Let's go. I remember something that you don't. Hee 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 hee.
Creeper! Oh, that's a bad one. Oh, I got gunpowder.
Cool, follow me.
And I'm level 1.
Follow me. I'm level 2.
Well, I don't kill things.
Oh, my mom's home.
What?
My mom's home.
So, hurry up. Come on. What?
I think we should make it right here. Follow me. Oh, I'm lagging.
What, in here?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like all the way.
Oh, dude, there's like a ravine here.
Okay, just like go down here.
Oh, there's light down here.
Yeah, I see.
I'm going to it.
Ooh, torch.
If someone's like standing down here, I'm taking the torch with them. Okay, let's go.
Hey, Angel. How was your night? How was your dinner?
Good.
Dinner work out okay?
Yes, Mom.
For me? What are you shushing me about? For what?
No.
You bedtime sensitive.
Okay. I might have to go soon, Joseph. Or I will.
I know, I'm going to where we're going to make it. Well, I'm going to make it. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just make it with you. I guess.
Okay, so destroy these trees and then...
Figure out where I'm gonna make it.
Dude, there's like an ice house out there.
Dude, come down here. I figured out a perfect spot.
Oh, right here, right by the ocean.
That too, I guess.
Where are
Where?
you?
Yeah, dude, yeah, right there. Okay, let me set my home.
Oh, dude, there's treasure chest here. And, thing.